Hey guys, I spotted some amazing new Costco arrivals for June that I know you're going to love. I found a new Hello Kitty and Snoopy ceramic food storage set, a bowl set with lids, thrifty sherbet, amazing sales happening right now, and so much more. If you enjoy Costco finds, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so let's start off today's video here in the kitchenware section and check out these melamine bowl sets that come with their own lids. This is pretty nice. I found them going for $19.99 and you get different size bowls anywhere from half a quart up to 5 quarts. I do love the colors too. It's 100% melamine. And here you have the measurements for each bowl. And let me show you guys what they look like because they do have them on display here. So you can see this is the lid and that's the bottom part of the bowl. So these are so useful. Costco has 2 different color options to choose from. This is adorable. It's an 8-piece ceramic food storage set going for $23.99. I spotted Peanuts and Hello Kitty. And I honestly can't say which one of these is my favorite because I really like both of them. These are microwave safe. They're dishwasher safe too, although keep in mind the lids are top rack dishwasher safe. The lids do come with a vent, which is nice. So these are perfect for storing leftovers or serving your favorite snacks. Check out the size of this candle. It's actually a 60 ounce and it's going for $39.99. It has up to 150 hours of burn time. It's a plant-based wax blend and you have 2 scents to choose from. So they have warm luxe cashmere and they also have this one which is sage and citrus. These smell amazing. This next item sounds so good for the summertime. It's a cooling pillow top mattress topper. It's cool to the touch. It's waterproof, guys, and it fits mattresses up to 18 inches deep. They actually have 2 sizes. I did spot it in queen and king. And for the queen, it's going for $43.99. I did notice over here on this side, they also carry the king size. And so let me show you guys here the price tag for that one. The king size cooling pillow top mattress topper is going for $53.99. Wow, you won't believe what's on sale today. It's the Kids Avocado Lounge Chair. If you've been thinking of grabbing it, now's a good time because look at this. It went from $80 down to $60. The sale with $20 off is going to be ending on June 26th, so keep that date in mind. This chair is perfect for kids. Let me show you guys here the measurements. It's pretty much 30 inches tall and it seems like it's pretty easy to set up. I also came across the Blackstone Ultimate Kit at a sale price. This right here comes in a total of 16 pieces. And right now Costco has $8 off until June 21st. So it went from $38 down to $29.99. This set right here really has everything you need to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let me show you guys what's included. So you get the squeeze bottles, you get stainless steel spatulas, you get a griddle scraper, a griddle scoop, and both are stainless steel. You get scrub pads, you get a scrub pad handle, the square egg rings, and the round egg rings. Keep in mind, all the parts are dishwasher safe except for the scrub pads. Okay, this is an exciting find. A thrifty sherbet, red, white, and blue, cherry, lemon, and blue raspberry. It's a 2-pack, a 2-pack of cartons. So you're getting around 48 ounces of product going for $10.79. Let me know what is your top thrifty flavor, like your favorite ice cream from Thrifty. 2/3 of a cup here is 130 calories, and this one right here has around 23 grams of sugar. This is perfect for 4th of July. And speaking of 4th of July, Johnny Pops are also on sale. It's blue raspberry, lemon, and cherry. These have $2.60 off right now until July 3rd. You get 18 pops per box. And these essentially came down to $10. So it's a good price. And it's also calorie friendly in case you haven't noticed. 1 pop is only 60 calories and it has around 14 grams of sugar. These are so good. I know we're definitely going to be grabbing a box of this one soon. It's the Island Way Sherbet, and it has $4.80 off until June 21st. So the price came down to $11.99 for a pack of 12. And guys, these come with real fruit shells. And so the sherbet like lays on the fruit shell. So you use that as a little bowl. These are really cute too. You get 4 different flavors: heavenly coconut, red berry, and ruby grapefruit, passionate mango, and zesty pomegranate. And I can definitely say these are all so delicious. I spotted the Classic Gourmet Macarons exclusive collection at Costco. You get 21 of them. They're gluten-free and they're going for $13.69 right now. Let me show you guys here the back of the package so you guys can see the different kinds that are included. But I did spot Marie Antoinette black tea, black currant, apple cinnamon, strawberry vanilla. I was also seeing they have lime raspberry mint, chocolate passion fruit, and raspberry. Oh man, Costco also has the tiramisu made with Italian mascarpone cheese on sale right now. This one has $2.50 off until June 26th, so it went from $10.99 down to $8.49. And keep in mind, you get a total of 6 glasses, which you can totally reuse or repurpose. There's a layered dessert with sponge cake soaked in coffee, mascarpone cream, and cocoa powder. One serving or one glass is around 210 calories, and that would have around 16 grams of sugar. Let me know if anyone's tried these. They're strawberry Belgian waffles. These sound good. You get 12 of them per box, and these are going for $7.99. They're by Universal Bakery. Now, when it comes to the nutrition facts, one waffle, it's around 34 grams of carbs, 4 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, and that would have around 15 grams of sugar. I know a lot of people really like the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and if you do, guys, Costco has it on sale, and keep in mind, it's a 2-pack. So you get 2 bottles of around 40 ounces, $1.40 off until July 3rd. And so this one, the price came down to $5.49 again for a 2-pack, 2 tablespoons, around 70 calories. Look at what I found. It's the King Arthur Baking Company unbleached bread flour, and you're getting a really good amount too, 12 pounds, going for $9.59. I hear this is a great price for this brand, so just know that I found it at Costco. 1/4 of a cup is around 110 calories. Here is another 4th of July find. These are the Pretzel Crisp Fireworks Berry Cream. That sounds pretty tasty. These are going for $8.49 and it's a 20-ounce bag. Of course, it's a little treat. So here are the nutrition facts. 1 ounce, around 140 calories, and it has around 12 grams of sugar. New product by 7 Sundays. It's the Wild Berry Protein Oats. It has flax and chia seeds. 32-ounce bag going for $10.39. You guys remember this brand? It's very well known for having like very simple ingredients in their products. So this one right here is made with gluten-free oats, upcycled oat protein. You got maple syrup, wild berry blend, cherries, flax seeds, coconut sugar, chia seeds, and sea salt. Half a cup's around 230 calories. This sounds pretty good. I'm tempted. Let me know if anyone's tried it. This is a new Spam flavor at Costco. It's Korean barbecue. Let me show you guys here what you're getting at Costco, but you get 8 to 12 ounces or around 6 pounds going for $25.79. Make sure you guys send this to someone that loves Spam, especially if they love the Korean barbecue flavor one. 2 ounces is around 180 calories. The scissors are back. These are by the Scotch brand, and I'm pretty sure these are the ones we got a couple years ago. It's a 3-pack of scissors, and they're 8 inches. These are pretty great. $9.99. We use them all the time. They don't have any corrosion signs to them, so that's good. Check out this sale for the Man-Made Wash. This is a 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You get 2 bottles of around 18 fluid ounces. Costco has it on sale with $10 off until June 21st. The price went from $30 down to $19.99. They have interesting scents. They have sweet tobacco, spiced vanilla.